Hey everybody, welcome back to 2-Minute Origami Tuesdays. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a paper airplane. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm actually going to be making this along with you guys, so let's start with the materials. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper, any color will do, a ruler to mark your creases, and some drawing materials for the end. So, start the clock. First, you're going to take your paper and put it vertical ways up. This means the longest side is going to be like a window. Now you're going to fold your paper in half, hot box style. Once you finish with this, you're going to take the top of your paper and fold it down the line you just created. Do this to both sides. Once you finish this, go ahead and do it again with the lines I marked here, folding them along the center line as well. On this step, I'm going to go ahead and draw a butterfly on the inside just because that's how I want to decorate it, so feel free to decorate at any point. Once I finish my butterfly, I'm going to fold the paper airplane in half to make the wings. To make the wings, we're going to take the top of the paper airplane and meet it up with the bottom of the airplane. Do this on both sides as well. Now unfold it and we're done. Now you can decorate. These are a couple I made. Now let's test them. Now time for the question of the day. Make sure you leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on one of these two videos to see our other Origami Tuesdays. Have a good day. Bye.